Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. I'm looking at the US 100 on a 15-minute. Don't have really anything to go with here. We've just got this range. We're coming into the London Open at 19 my time. It'll be interesting to see how this trades into the London Open. So I'll just mark that up. Let's just quickly go out, and I want to mark up a few key levels here and then come back in. I'm looking for a trade opportunity with this. My bias is going to be most likely to the downside. I don't want to buy at this level, but if it sets up and gives me a reason to short, I could be interested. So we look back, we can see that this is a key level on the weekly. Back here, I could mark that. Okay, it's interacted with this level quite a few times. So we have a strong resistance level here. It has spiked through. Now it's retesting. So that's on the weekly. The orange, I generally I'll mark it. So I'll name it. So when we go down to lower time frames, it's level weekly. There you go. No, orange weekly. And the other thing too is we're trading into this weekly distribution zone prior to this strong move down here. There's plenty of room for this to trade north though. That's the thing. I'll just go to the daily time frame. Have a look at it. Resistance, we can see that on the daily. We've also got this. Well, I mean, it wicked all the way up. I'm just going to grab the body of this green candle and pull that through. Daily resistance and above. And then on the daily, we've also got this level here would be definitely a point of interest for me. The target, if I'm shorting, I'm looking for a short opportunity. Now, let's just go down to, in fact, before we do, this is the reason why I'm interested in taking a counter trend trade here. Right, we've got on the daily, we've got price gap through here. Right, if we consider the low on the current candle and the high on the candle to the left, this gap daily, and we've also got under here, we've got a price gap. If we look at this candle here, candle left and right. So at some stage, this is going to look to fill this gap or these gaps at some stage. When? I mean, good question, but keep that in mind. I mean, this is why I'm considering shorting this more than anything. We're heading into resistance. We've got price gaps. And if you consider that the market looks for liquidity, it's already spiked up in here. And we have a ton of sell-side liquidity resting under here in the form of stops. So we've got retail traders buying. This is it's ripe for the picking for this to move back down in, rebalance and take out liquidity under here. So that's kind of my thought process with this. Just have a look at it on the 4H. On this time frame, yeah, I mean, look at this. Okay, so we've got this level here. It would be a target. I'll just mark it up 4H. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, click the link below and join our free Telegram. Love to see you in there. So here we go, 4-hour time frame. We've got bit of a gap under here. So I'm just looking at the candle left and right. Pull that through so we can mark that up. So that would be my first port of call for a target. Price gap 4H. That's that. And then further down, this thin candle here. Have a look. Left, right, pull it through. So this gives me reason to short this 4H, given that it's trading into resistance. We've got these thin candles under, and we've got the next port of call in terms of where this move originated, this range down in here, that would be a target. Now, we pull a fib, we could take that from, say, low to high, kind of coincides with 61.8 to 786. So we've got this fib level in here, this yellow zone. It's kind of my entry level. We've got a bullish, higher highs, higher lows. We've got a break of structure here, bullish. And a retrace back down in here makes a lot of sense. So that would be the play, I think, that I'm looking for. The only thing now would be to wait for the setup. This is ranging. We're heading into the London Open, pretty close to it. If we go down to a 5-minute, and I'll just be keeping an eye on this to see how it shapes up. So here's the London Open. And seriously, if this breaks to the upside, I want to see it attack buy-side liquidity up here. If it does that, I would be looking for the rotation around the London Open. Right, see the range? So it's building liquidity above and below here. Let's just pull this through. Yeah, we've had a little bit of a stab at it there, but we could pull that through, average it out, something like that. I'd be looking for this kind of a move. Just had to step out and take care of a family matter. But now, see, we're starting to see this move up into the London Open. Okay, so we've had this dip into liquidity under. My take with this would be possibly this is a fake out. It draws in short traders. It builds further liquidity above, and then we get that. Now, I was hoping to see a strong move up around the London Open and then the rotation here. It may happen here. If not, keep an eye on the potential for this to rotate either here or at the Asia close. Now, the kind of thing that I'm looking for with this trade is this. And if it doesn't set up, then I let it go pretty much. But here's the thing. I drew this a little while ago. The range, it sets up liquidity above and below. And we're looking for a short opportunity. Generally, we'll see it draw short traders in here and it builds the liquidity above. They spike it up into it and then we see it start to trend down. 3-minute, 1-minute chart. My entry is going to be, if this rotates and we see pullback, lower high, lower low forming, then, in here, that's going to be my entry short. So we'll see how we go. I would like to see this attack this range up in here. It's already had a little bit of a stab at it here. I was hoping to see a bit more of an aggressive move. But anyway, we'll see how this shapes up, guys. That's my take on the US 100. Looking for the opportunity or waiting for the opportunity to set up to short it. Yeah, with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. Join Telegram, links below, and we'll see you in the next video.